Hey guys, how y'all doing, man? Just a little short to let y'all know what we've been doing. This right here, the stitching went a little wonky on it, but it's a kitchen knife, so it don't really need a sheath. It's just a cover to keep it from cutting because it is sharp. Now, full disclosure, guys, I bought this blank from Pops. It's water jet cut. It is their pro cut. My grind, my heat treat, my handle scales, you know, which of course I bought from them, that butterscotch handle scales. It's pretty. And she's sharp as a razor. So I reckon that's pretty sharp. Got a couple more projects in the work. Now the forging video y'all seen me do last week, I almost burned up my GoPro on. And I'm gonna get back to that. Probably won't be today because today is Monday. And it'll be next weekend. But check this out. Went to the Waco flea market a month ago, I guess. And bought this Nicholson file. Now I done cheated, I annealed the file and cut it out. But I'm thinking real seriously about doing a hollow grind on this because it's right at a 1/4 inch thick. And making a little miniature barbecue knife out of that. Yeah, full disclosure again, this is a Pops blank that I modified. So y'all can see. And guys, I'm not cheating too much because I'm being honest about it. The only thing that these are water jet cut. They're the same steel that I use. They're just somebody else's pattern. And it saved me some abrasives. Now this is my pattern. And I still got a little tweaking to do, and as you see, my little things aren't quite perfect. I got it marked and measured where I need to hit it with a grinder. And we got this right here. Here again, this is one of their water jet cuts, the 8670. That's some tough steel. My boss man, one of my blue heads at work, told me that they have welding rods made out of this stuff, and I ain't never seen one of the welds come loose, you know. But like I said, well, this will be my first little hatchet. And let me know if I want to do some more. I got 2 more of these blanks right here. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all coming along for that, man. Y'all have a good week.